So one of the best things you can do to have fun in working in Illustrator and also to work fast is to learn the keyboard shortcuts. Now there's going to be a lot of shortcuts to learn over this course, but the more that you use them, the more intuitive and second nature that they become. So practice trying to recall the shortcuts. And like other things in the Adobe interface, the shortcuts are similar in other Adobe programs. So your time spent learning them can really pay off. Now just one thing I wanted to show you, if we actually come up here to the application bar and go to the edit and we come down here to keyboard shortcuts, we can actually see a list of the keyboard shortcuts related to, in this case, the tools. And so we can go through and kind of see all of those. And if we really wanted to, we could come in here and we could actually click, let's say, on the selection tool, which is the key V, and we could actually change that if we wanted to. Now just know that as you change things, you'll see, like if I were to change this to A, it tells me right down here, the shortcut A was already used as the direct selection tool, and you can choose to kind of override that, or you can go with another key that's not being used. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that back to being the V key. And I could go through and actually change any of these, and for some of these tools I could actually add a new keyboard shortcut. Let's say the type on area path. I could come in here and I could do Shift and X, and it would tell me Shift X was already being used by the swap fill, and I could choose to change the swap fill stroke with another shortcut. So in this case I'll do Shift F, and that is available. And then I could click OK, and I could start changing the keyboard shortcuts. So just know that these are editable, but in most cases I just keep this all as the default shortcuts and I just take time to memorize them.